Hey guys, Tony here with Air Turbine Tools, strengthening the relationships with our partners, experiencing this amazing show with new friends, new customers, and we want to grow this relationship and continue to do what we do best, which is high-speed technology.
At Method Machine, we have lots of partners. One of the partners we use is Air Turbine Tech. Air Turbine Technologies does a great job with us, the versatility of their product, and what we use it for is generally that higher speed, higher feed application that we need.
We've been a proud supporter of Air Turbine for years. We're very pleased with the way they work with our product and how they help our customers be more productive.
And we use Air Turbine in our machines to push them to the next level.
With 50,000 RPM, quarter-inch ball end mill, the cycle time without the air spindles will be an hour and a half. But thanks to the efficiency of the air spindle turbines, this cycle time comes down to 20 minutes. So an increase of productivity, a better finish, surface finish, and a higher quality of the part itself with a lowering the cost of the tooling.
We might struggle to get to 50,000 RPM. So there are aftermarket devices that you can put in your machine like Air Turbine that use the air off the shop air to get that spindle RPM up.
Micro end mills or micro drills, necessarily we have to have those spindles, and only with Air Turbine we are capable to deliver that kind of performance.
One of my favorite parts about the Air Turbine spindle is its accuracy. It's 2 micron or better. So when you're dealing with very, very fine, intricate details, you know everything's going to be cut correctly. And you know, because there's no thermal growth, it's not going to expand or contract in any way. It's very stable, very consistent. It's just a great product all around.
They produce better surface finishes, higher surface finishes at very, very high accuracy.
If you're working with Air Turbine, you're working with the tools of tomorrow today.